Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have this 2019 Chevy Colorado four-wheel drive work truck. So this is, I believe the official, it's WT on the window sticker, I believe. So this is the entry-level one. But this one's finished in red hot. All this you see, that's just residual wax. Same with right here. This one's finished in red hot. Almost every Colorado work truck I've ever seen has been Summit white. This one spices it up a little bit. Haha, see what I did there? Red hot spice. Oh, forget me. Yeah, this one's actually in really, really great shape. I'm impressed. $60,000 miles on it. Let's go for a drive. Oh yeah, if you've ever seen TikToks about the jellyfish launcher, that's the cargo lamps. But it looks like a jellyfish being launched. I always chuckle when I see those, because I've always sat there and I'm like, it looks like a jellyfish. Colorado is our smallest truck as of right now. With the Maverick being launched, I wouldn't be surprised if Chevy brings back something a little bit smaller. As we sit here though, perfectly happy with it. Powered by the 3.6 liter V6, same one found in like your Traverse, Blazer, Camaro, all that stuff. Base motor, at least last time I checked, is a 2.5 inline 4. Not sure if that's still the case, but 99.999% of Colorados are going to be the V6. I very rarely see the 2.5. Oh, I love the 3.6. The GM 3.6 has been around for ages, but it's still an awesome motor. I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Not only is it one of the better sounding V6s out there, it's one of the more powerful ones. I mean, take a look at the V6 in the Atlas. That makes, what, 278 horsepower, maybe a little bit more. It might be 298, I don't know. But this one's making like 301, 302, 305, like little over 300. And this one sounds a lot better. The power delivery of this 3.6 is spot on. You can see, visibility's perfect in this thing. I can see everything. Man, this is such a throaty sound. Almost sounds like this thing has an exhaust, but I don't think it does. I think it's the fact that the pipe runs like right here. Honestly though, for in need of a little truck, I mean, this one takes on, let's see, out of the big three, Ram doesn't have one of these. I mean, sort of the Gladiator, but that's a whole different level. That's a whole different buyer mindset. This most directly takes on the Ranger. Should I say the Ranger takes on this, because the Ranger came after. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.